Stop scrolling. Here are 5 budgie facts most owners don't know. Number 1. Budgies aren't from cages. They're from the Australian outback, flying in massive flocks. Number 2. They can mimic human speech, and some talk more than big parrots. Number 3. Their beaks never stop growing. So without toys or cuddle bones, they can't eat properly. Number 4. Budgies can see ultraviolet colors. They literally see a world we can't imagine. Number 5. With the right care, they can live over a decade. So they're a long-term commitment, not a short-term pet. Now you know. Pass it on to a future budgie owner.